Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-security products and service. The BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers have global pattern active cooling design. The Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make braking better, distributed in pattern shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer will rotate. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. And the BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6. The another is 7075T6. The aluminum alloy 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And the BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers match ISO grade 10 lignite. The matching lignite uses 40 cool material by continuous forging process and as with 12.9 wheel stud. And the matching wheel studs use SCF 440 steel material. And BONOSS wheel spacers have over 66 SDS and theory test reports. BONOSS also offers OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the Mitsubishi wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the factory, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm. And TCD/CD composition. BONOSS have a complete Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficiency production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation improvements. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has been tested 10,000 times. We have stressed wide chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products meet the needs of the large volume orders, and have a good sales level in various international markets. And the BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. BONOSS wants to provide more additional functions for the wheel spacer and make the wheel spacer safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same passion for cars, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious value. BONOSS, without the wheel.